Guys, this is a DeLorean DMC-12 hit impact crash test. Here we go. Alright, now let's check it out. I can't watch the video again because I don't have it. And I couldn't play it in slow motion because I don't know how to do that either. But as you can see from here, the man is made out of bottles. And as you can see from the impact, he lost his arm and went flying. So he would be alive, but it would be hard to keep him alive without dying in the hospital. And now the car kept on going for a little while. Then I didn't hit the brakes until I got way over here, and it wasn't a deadly thing at all. They just kept on going like nothing happened. So for driver in the car, 5 stars, and man hit is actually, because it actually gets a pretty good rating. It gets 3 stars and it may not seem like it deserves it until you look at other tests that I'm going to do. After you watch all those, you'll actually know why this happened. You don't see the following. Oh my gosh!